हाँ सर, ऑब्जेक्ट सबसे पहले लिखना है बुलियन B1 मतलब सर ऑब्जेक्ट है वो। और और वो जो स्ट्रिंग जो कंपेयर करना है इनिशियल वाला str1 के टाइम पे लिखेंगे, और जो दूसरा वाला है वो ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखेंगे सर।
Okay.
हम्म।
So now starts with. So starts with का syntax भी उसी तरह से है. So boolean. Okay. And here we are going to provide the pattern. And it will check whether string starts with this pattern or not. It is used to check starts with given pattern or not. Or not. Okay. So for example, suppose and ends with is also same. Boolean ends with string pattern. It is used to check whether string ends with given pattern or not. So what means it? Suppose my string is suppose you welcome, and if I say suppose my string yes1 is suppose you welcome, and if I say yes1 dot starts with, and if I write if I'm writing yo, then it will return true. It will return true because this string s1 string starts with yo. Okay, so this is the purpose of the starts with. And if I say s1 dot ends with, and if I say suppose SIR, it will return true because this string ends with SIR. Okay, so starts with and ends with is checking only whether the particular string starts with a given pattern or not, and particular string ends with a given pattern or not. This is
सर दैट W is capital, W capital
which one W?
starts with वाला और ends with वाला W.
Yes, W capital. Why? Because C starts with, so W is capital because second word. So here we can demonstrate with the help of the program. So whatever the str1 here I am displaying, I am comparing now str1 dot starts with YOU, and str1 dot ends with SIR. Here we can display. So V1 is equals to plus V1, and V2 is equals to plus V2. So here just compile and okay, just let us see the output of this program. string demo file. Now compile. Successful compiled. Now execute. See, it is showing true. Okay, because b1 now see here b1 is equals to str1 dot starts with you, and b2 is equals to str1 dot starts with sir. So it returns false because str1 does not starts with sir. Now ends with. So both are now true. Now is it case sensitive? Now check. Small yes. Yes, I have made changes in the string pattern from capital S to small s. Compile and run. So it returns false, means it is a case sensitive. Starts with and ends with, both are the case sensitive. So here if I am writing y small, then it also returns what? False. Yes, now here we can say note. We can say note starts with and ends with, both are case sensitive. Okay, so write on this one.
Complete.
Okay. While doing practice, you can make the changes in this pattern and you can verify the output. So next is a index and index of. Okay. So index method, index of, it returns integer value, and here I am going to provide a character ch. This method is used to search first occurrence of given character ch in string. If it is found, then it return true, otherwise it return false. Sorry, if it is found, then it return its index, otherwise it return -1. Similarly, last index of character ch. So same working is there. So it is searching the last occurrence, not first, last occurrence of given character ch in string, and same. So first occurrence of given character will be searched by the index of method, and last occurrence okay, will be searched by the last index of method. Occurrence in this is what? Suppose my string is suppose hello friends, and I would like to search E. Okay, so if I say if I search with the index of, okay, then what it will return? Index of E, it will return 1. That is first occurrence of E. So 0, at 0 location there is a H, and at 1 location there is a E. And if I search using the last index of method, so it return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It returns 9. It returns 9. Okay, last index of. So this actually here we are going to search a particular character in string. So now just check out in program. So now here we are going to search you welcome sir. And so string is, so in loc is equals to, I would like to search character E. I would like to search character E. First occurrence of E is that. So here I am displaying LOC. So here last index of. So instead of first occurrence, here I can say last occurrence of E is at LOC. So here we can see the output of this program. String demo 6 and compiling. Okay. So LOC is equals to index of method str1. Spelling mistake. So here now compile. Cannot find symbol str1. So str1 is not available. So first occurrence is at 5 and last occurrence is at 10. So this is the purpose of the first index of method. Okay, and if character is not available, then what it will return? Suppose you welcome sir, there is a G here. I am searching G using index of or last index of, whatever that. Last occurrence of G or first occurrence of G. We can say any. So it's first occurrence. We are searching now. So LOC is equals to str dot. So where is the mistake?
Small I. str dot small I.
Small I. Here there should be the small I. Correct. So -1. What it returns? -1. So please write down this program and output also. Have you written the explanation?
Yes, sir.
Both of you. Okay. So now,
Yes, yes.
So now, write down this program and output also. A necessary comment you should add in your notebook. Okay. So as per the situation, whatever you are getting time to time, please write in your notebook. Completed or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these methods are very simple, actually not so complicated. Very simple.
Sir,
But
instead of that, instead of pro
tell me, Dheeraj, I am listening you properly.
sir, instead of providing string, if I'm writing only one letter, that suppose y, and I will search what will be the first index and last index of y, then it will return the same value, no?
Right.
Suppose that instead of
No,
you welcome, sir, I will.
just check out here now. I'm writing here Y, capital Y. So what is the first index and what is the last index? You can check out. Obviously.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, in doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now replace method. So what replace method does? Replace method returns string, and what it does, it replaces old character. Okay. So old character with a new character. In string. Okay, so it replaces all the occurrences of old character with new character in string. Yes, and replace all method. What it does, so it returns string and it replaces all occurrences of the old pattern, old str pattern. Okay, so we can say pattern with new pattern. It replaces all occurrences of old pattern string with new pattern. So means actually what happened now here we can understand with the help of one example. So here I say string demo. This is last program of our string class, string demo 7. So here you welcome sir. So whatever the original string here we have listed. So now string str1. So I say so this is str1 and I can say this is str2. So str1 is this one. Str2 is equals to, I would like to replace all characters, all occurrences of O with a yum. Okay, O with a yum. So I say replace. Okay, in single quotation O, and a new character I am providing yum. So now we can display the, so what it will display, you can check out, or you can understand with the help of the example. So with str1, here suppose please do study hard. Okay, so this is single way to get success. So here, whatever the str we are going to display, str1 is equals to. So I'm going to replace all occurrences of is with a are, is with are. So whatever the str3 we are displaying now, how it becomes. In first case, what happened? So this is our you welcome sir string. Okay, in first case. So all occurrences of O get replaced with yum. So this yum O get changed with yum. This O get changed with yum. And in second case, what is our string? See, this is our string. And all occurrences of is, this is is, no, this is in this get changed with the are, and separate is get changed with the are. All occurrences of is get replaced with the are. Now we can check out output here. So I'm going to cut, or I'm going to change here. I'm going to comment it. Now compile and close related lockers. Sorry, this is must be string. No, it must be in double quotation. It must be in double quotation. So you can check out output. So this is get changed with the are, and this is get changed with the are, and this o get changed with yum, and this o get changed with yum. So you can write this program. Completed? Sudhir, Dheeraj?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, last 1 minute.
Okay. You are attending, Dheeraj, Sudhir, you are attending from home?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
I was unable to attend, but I hurried up to the class.
Okay. When you reached?
Just now, sir. Directly, I opened the laptop and started. I
Good.
was thinking that I came late, but I think just now only the class has been started.
Yes. 10
10.
minutes late.
Yes. Yes.
10 minutes
Completed,
late.
sir.
Okay, completed. So we already have finished at most all important methods. Now one method is remaining, that is split. So split method. The syntax of the split method is it returns a string array. Method name is a split, and here we are providing the pattern. Okay, for this which is used for splitting purpose. Split method. So this method is used to split a string into number of strings. Using given pattern. So what means it now? Suppose str is a hello friends, how are you? What about your job? Hello friends, how are you? What about your job? See, this is a string here. If I say split and get okay, so split this string using pattern E. Suppose using pattern E, I'm providing the string pattern as a E. So split str.split, and here I'm providing the pattern E as a string. So it returns what here? String array. It returns what? String array. So I have specified a string array like this, W is equals to. So it returns string array in W. So what W contains? So it contains here H at 0 index. Okay, first string H at 0 index. So using E, it is get separated. No, then second string is this one. Then third string is this one up to the A. Then fourth string is sorry, here AR is also considered. Then what about your job? Okay, so remaining string is up to the end because there is no E available. So we get like this. We get output like this here. So using pattern E, we are going to separate a string. So E is nothing but a pattern. We can use any character or any string as a pattern for the separation purpose. We can use any. Clear this concept?
Yes.
Okay. So now let us see with the example. string demos 8. So you're welcome, sir. What can I do for you? Okay, so what are the string here we have displayed? Now we are going to get a splitted part of strings. So I say str1 dot split, and for splitting purpose, suppose I am using O. Suppose I am using O, small o. So how many parts here we get now? We can display it using the loop here. Int I is equals to 0, I less than w is array, no? W dot length. Don't write rounded bracket here because this is array. Write down only semicolon and I plus plus. Here I say system dot out dot println. So system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. And here I am displaying here w of I. Now run. See here. Why? Because O occurs. Then you up to the O of welcome. So this is the second part of the string. Then the third part of the string from M-E up to the D. O. Here also O occurs. Then fourth part of the string here only F space and F. Space and F. Then again O occurs. Then R, Y. R space Y. Then again O occurs and U. Dot. Getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see here, I would like to get how many words are there. So how can I get the words? I am using space as a splitter. Space in double quotation. So now see, you welcome, sir. What can I do for you? So space, here space, here space, here space, here space, here space. So space is used for the splitting purpose. So please write down this program and output. Split method is very important. Split, because it is used in real-time programming. Okay. Now next concept is a command line argument. Command line argument. Command line argument. So what means command line argument? See, main method of Java is having string array argument here. String array. So this is a main method. Like other method, like a index of, like a last index of, main method is also having argument. Yes. So when we have any argument of method, we can pass data to that argument. Okay, while calling time. But main is called by whom? Main is called by Java interpreter, Java runtime environment. Okay. So how can we pass data to this string array? How can we pass data to this string array? Okay, what is the procedure? Then we can pass this data through command line. We can pass this data through command line. Okay, so command line means what? Whenever we are going to run, compile a program. So Java C is a normal syntax here, program name and dot Java. So this is normal syntax. But whenever we are going to run using the Java, then here we are writing what? Class name and space, and we can specify one argument, comma, space argument 2, space argument 3, space argument 4. Space is used as a separator. See, whenever we are going to run Java program from command line, generally we use the syntax Java space class name, and we never used we never writes any data then after. Okay, after class name. But actually main method is having string array argument, and we can pass data, that is a string array, we can pass through command line. Like how? So after writing these arguments separated by space. Okay, after writing these arguments, means we can write these arguments after class name separated by space here. So Java space class name space argument 1 space argument 2 space argument 3. So here we used we are going to specify these arguments, okay, to pass to main method. Now how can I demonstrate? Now see here, and I'm demonstrating now here with the string demo 9, string demo 9. So this is the main method argument here. Yes is a main method argument, and here I would like to display total arguments. How many arguments we passed here? So total arguments we passed is equals to, and I can show length. I can show length of yes. So that is yes is nothing but an array. I can show length of yes. Okay, yes dot length. So total arguments automatically becomes here array data. So here now I'm displaying data here. How can I display now data? So yes dot length, and here I say yes of I. Yes. So whatever the arguments here we have passed here, we can display the argument here. Okay, using the loop. So because yes is what? Array. So array size we can get here using the yes dot length, and we can display the content of that array. Okay, so data that is content of that array using the loop here like this. So compile, success, run. So total arguments are 0, and press any key to continue. It never display any arguments. Why? Because we never passed any argument to while executing this program. So how can we pass? So from the command line. So to run this program compulsory you must be use command line. Then and then you will get effect, otherwise you never get effect here. So D drive cd Java online class Java progs and Java C. Okay, for the compilation purpose. Actually we already have compiled our program. So string demo 9, and we are providing here. This is a class name. Okay, and after that class name here I can specify the first value, suppose 12, second that is Ajay, third suppose Pratik, and fourth is suppose any value 78. I can specify any type of value. I can actually everything becomes string. Everything you can pass 12. Yeah, that is suppose you are passing integer, then this also becomes string. If you are passing 78.34, this also becomes string. Everything becomes string here now. So Java space here. How many arguments are there? Total arguments are 4. So 1, 12, 1, Ajay second, Pratik third, and 78.34 4. Okay, these are the arguments. So here in this way we can pass arguments to the main method. Okay, through command line. So this is the purpose of the yes array. So it is compulsory. Main method must have argument. Main method must have argument which is of type string array. Okay, so name may be any. Name may be yes. Name may be arg. Name may be any. Getting this? Both of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we can write the explanation about this command line argument. Main method of Java program is having string array type argument. We can pass data to main method. We can pass data to main method while executing Java program. So Java space class name space argument 1 space argument 2 space argument 3. So in this way we can pass data. Yes. In Java program we can retrieve pass the command line arguments using loop as shown in following program.